Hey everyone, if you're tired of people snooping at your phone on the bus or in class, you definitely need to see these fantastic screen protectors. I've been using these privacy screen protectors for my iPhone for a while now, and honestly, they've been a fantastic solution for me. The main reason I picked these up was obviously the privacy filter. It works beautifully. When you look straight at your phone, everything is perfectly clear, but from a sharp side angle, completely dark. It gives me so much peace of mind when I'm in crowded public spaces. Plus, I really love the coating on this glass. It completely fights off those annoying fingerprints and oily smudges. My screen feels incredibly smooth to the touch, and the touch responsiveness hasn't skipped a beat. And let's talk about the installation because I usually hate putting these things on. It was honestly a breeze. Quick cleaning, no weird gaps, and best of all, perfectly bubble-free. Having a multi-pack is just so reassuring too. Now, just a quick heads up. Because of how the privacy layer works, it naturally darkens your display just a little bit. You might simply want to bump up your phone's brightness a notch after you pop it on. Also, while they do a phenomenal job protecting my actual phone screen during clumsy drops, the protector itself might take the heavy hit and crack. But hey, that is exactly what it's supposed to do to save your phone. Since it's a 3-pack, swapping it out is inexpensive and super easy. Overall, if you want reliable, smudge-free protection and a little extra privacy in public, I absolutely recommend grabbing these privacy screen protectors.